Order.
All right, the record reflect we are back in session. Parties and counsel are present. So, Mr. Merritt, you've had a chance to have some additional discussion with your attorneys. And so what's your decision? Do you want to testify or not? Okay. Okay, we can go ahead and, so,
and just if I could just put on the record, both Mr. McGee and myself have talked to Mr. Merritt, obviously about this issue at great length, and I would say that we covered all the issues that we needed to cover, and he's had some time to think as well. It's not just today.
I understand. I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay. So defense rests subject to the admission of all the exhibits?
Yeah.
And any additional rebuttal by the people?
No additional rebuttal, rest rebuttal subject to the admission of remaining exhibits.
Okay, thank you. All right, we can call the jury back in. With the attorneys, and then we will come back Tuesday morning. Can everyone be here at 9 a.m. by chance? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, council can be here at 9 a.m.?
Sure. Yes.
Okay, so we'll be here at 9 a.m. Tuesday. I will give you the instructions of law that apply to the case. The attorneys will have the opportunity to give a closing statement as to what they believe the evidence has or has not demonstrated. And once they're done with their closing statements, the matter will be submitted to you to begin your deliberations. Okay? It is still really, really, really important for you still not to form or express any opinions about the case, not to discuss the case, not to allow anyone to discuss the case with you or in your presence. And again, that means not discussing anything about the case, any of the witnesses, testimony, exhibits, parties, or attorneys, because you still have not heard the closing statements and analysis of the attorneys. You have not heard the final instructions of the court, and you haven't begun your deliberations. So it's still really critically important that you not form or express any opinions about the case and not discuss the case. And of course, not to read anything about the case that may appear in any of the media. And with that, we will see everyone back. Yes?
When is celebration will be here on Fridays?
That is an excellent question. And it was actually something I was intending to ask you, and I forgot. So thank you for asking. If you can be here next Friday, no, you can't.
I have a job interview at 9 a.m. But I can come in after that. I just have to be there to interview, and then I can.
Okay, what about everybody else?
I have to go to my class for nurse's training, so I'm missing most everything else. I told them.
Okay.
Can you come after?
But the class is pretty much all day, right? That's okay. That's all right. I know when you have it, when we're normally not in session, you know, I'm sure you don't remember this, but at the very, very, very beginning, I said we're not in session Fridays, except once you begin deliberations, if you're able to, we would have you here Friday. But I know, especially in a long case, when you're not here every Friday, people make plans, you assume you're not going to be here Friday, so I understand that. So it would have been great if everyone could be here. That would be fine, but if you can't, then we won't do that. Okay? So we'll see everyone back Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. Have a good long weekend. Yes?
I have one more question for the alternates. What will be the callback time?
So you do have to be here Tuesday for the closing statements. Once the jurors go out to deliberate, we have two choices for the alternates don't get to go in and deliberate. So choice number one, you can wait on a bench out in the hallway to see what's going to happen or if you're going to be needed. Choice number two, we can let you go back home, go back to work, go about your business. We don't get too many takers for the bench in the hallway, so we would let you do that. probably like on, if you wanted to be here when the jury ultimately says either we do or do not have a verdict, you know, there's time to get everyone here. We would call you, give you the opportunity to be here. If you say, no, I can't be there, don't want to be there, that's fine. We would call you, let you know what the verdict was afterwards. If the verdict is something that would require us to go to the second phase, then we would call you and tell you what date to come back, and it would be probably within a day or two or a couple of days, because obviously the attorneys, once the jury goes out to deliberate, they have no idea what verdict might be rendered, when it might be rendered, so they don't have their witnesses available. So if the jury does return a verdict that does necessitate a second phase, then they need a few days at least to get their witnesses set up for that. So we would let you know that.
So if we don't take the wait in the hall option?
Right.
How much time would you request?
Probably like if you wanted to be here when the jury said that, yeah, an hour or so. Yeah, I mean, normally it takes, because the attorneys are out doing things, the court may have something else going on, so it takes a while to get everybody assembled, so we would give you that amount of time.
And then one more thing, so say during deliberation, and they require one of the alternates.
Yes,
So how much time?
again, about an hour, you know, yeah. Yeah, we're not gonna keep you on like a 5-minute note, yeah. We'll give you plenty of time, okay? All right, so we will see everyone back Tuesday morning, 9 a.m., okay? Thank you.